What's up, everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about why my Instagram ads for my detailing business were taken down and what I plan to do about it. So let's get right into it.
All right, Tony. So how long have you been doing Instagram ads?
I've been doing Instagram ads. I tried it. At first, I tried it for like here on and off for probably started like about 1 or 2 years ago. But I haven't really been as consistent as I am now. Now, consistently, I've been doing it for about like 3 months.
3 months.
So 3 months, doing a lot of spending on ads.
And has it gotten you business?
Yeah, it's helped a lot. I've gotten a lot of new people interested in my services. A lot of more people in my area. It does help a lot.
Got it. How many people have you reached through the Instagram ads?
I can't really say the certain number because it's been a lot, but I can give you an example of like one of my good ones, the ones I just got taken down. I spent about almost $200 on it, and I reached impressions. So I got 87,000 impressions, and then 42,000 people reached. So impressions probably means something like they're scrolling through and they saw it, but they didn't really wait on it. They just kind of slid by it. And then reach is like when they stop and look at it for a couple seconds. So I reached 42,000 people, caught 42,000 people's attention. For $200, that's not that bad at all.
And what have you noticed that works with Instagram ads? Pictures, videos, before and afters?
Me personally, I've been doing pictures. And not really any type of before and afters, mainly just like all of the afters, basically. And then I've noticed other detailers use the video form, and that works really great if you have someone take the video for you, kind of like a cinematic view of the detail. And I've seen that works really nice too, so I'll probably try that out in the future, but I haven't tried that out yet. But I think both of those work great. I'd probably recommend just like the afters. Before and afters are decent, but I don't know. Maybe I would only do before and afters on like paint correction services, removing swirls or full details, higher end jobs, things like that. Show before and afters, but anything like basic maintenance or anything like that, I wouldn't promote that.
So that was the ad you posted?
Yeah, so that was the one that got taken down. It's been a really good ad, so I've been spending about anywhere from $500 to $1,000 on this ad every month, and it was doing really well, and it got taken down, and you can see it got 42,000 people that I reached, and then 43 people saved it, 77 people shared it. I got 103 people that tapped on the ad, which means they sent me they like messaged me. So I got 20 conversations started just off of this ad, and then 9 people clicked on my website off of just this ad, and then I got 170 follows just off of this ad. That was $200. Is pretty much all that, which I think it's pretty worth it. I'm pretty sure I was able to schedule at least 5 of these people that hit me up, and that was for sure more than $200 that I was able to book in.
Damn. And you said one of your ads got taken down? Why did it get taken down?
So this is the one. This is the ad that got taken down. According to Instagram, their explanation was that someone reported it for like something about like racism and like I guess it promotes me trying to sell to like a certain kind of people only, which I don't see like how. I'm pretty sure it was just like some other detailer or something hating it or not wanting me to service their area or something, so they just reported it. And so basically Facebook/Instagram rejected my advertisement and won't let me advertise it again on this one. There's not much I can do about it, but it's not a big deal. I'll just make another post, another advertisement, and then it is what it is.
All right.
Keep moving forward with it. Oh, should I show him the advertisement so he could see like it has nothing to do with like it makes no sense that it's racism or whatever. Hold on, let me. This one, and I'm pretty sure a lot of them saw it. Like a lot of people saw it.
So that's the ad?
Yeah, so that's the advertisement. I can probably show them like so this is how the pictures that I put a picture of my van, the back of the van, showing the information on my van, shows all the social media, phone number, a couple of things we do, and then our setup. So, and then our description, high-end detailing, we are here to clean and protect and preserve your vehicles. And then we gave a couple reasons on why people should go to us, and down below a couple services we offer, and then appointments, our contact info, availability, and that's about it. All this, So this is what they took down and reported as like racism and whatnot, which, as you guys can see, has like nothing to do with race. So someone out there just hating.
Yeah. So based on your experience with ads, what's the hardest thing about running ads?
Hardest thing is probably getting a solid description, and that's probably the hardest part, because photos are not too hard to get. You can either take photos of the afters, or you can have an actual professional photographer get good photos of you. And then making a description is a little bit like tricky, because you want to make it good, but you don't want to make it too long, and you don't want to make it too short. So yeah, descriptions are probably the hardest part for me, in my opinion, on making the ads. That's like one thing that really I struggle with to make posts in general.
Tony, I heard that you have to lose money at first with ads to find your target audiences before you start getting messages from clients and stuff. Do you feel that's true?
Yeah, I probably, yeah, because in my personal experience, I did lose out on a bit of money because I didn't know. You got to kind of try to figure out how you want to run your ads. Sometimes you think something's going to work really great, and then it ends up not working at all. Nobody hits you up, or no one's really interested. I'm going to try to pull up like a few examples of my previous ads that like did not work at all, and it was just a waste of money because I'm spending money and I wasn't able to close any jobs. And so that's just money lost. Like after you pay for an ad and you don't get any, if you get leads, that's basically like what you're getting charged for. But if you can't complete that lead and get it for them to book a service, then you're just like, that's it. You lost the money.
You gotta always be closing, bro. ABC.
There we go. I was looking for that word, closing, because I was just saying.
Always be closing.
So I spent like $105 on this ad.
Show us.
In my opinion, I thought it was a great post to put an advertisement on. It's a Supra. Like, who doesn't like Supras? But like, apparently, a lot of people are interested in Supras or something. I don't know. So I got 27 ad tabs, which isn't that bad. But this ad, I spent $105. So that's a little bit over half of the other one that I did. Mm-hmm. And the results are a lot worse.
Dang.
So from this advertisement, I only got 6 people to send me a message, and I wasn't able to close any of them, because I'm pretty sure I don't remember exactly, but I'm pretty sure that these 6 people that hit me up from the ad were just kind of interested in seeing my prices, and then just never booked. They kind of saw the price and they're like not interested. And I was only able to reach 14,000 people. The other one I was able to reach 43 or 42,000, so that's like almost 3 times or 4 times as much as this one, and with a little bit over half of the money.
You think it had to do? Well, you think
it had
to do
with the
amount?
And I only got 18 followers off of this one.
Damn.
So it's like a huge difference. And honestly, I feel like it has a lot to do with I feel like people don't really pay too much attention to like the actual vehicle. I'm not too sure. I think my van just attracts people. Like people see my van and it's something different, and so like, whoa, what is that? And they'll stop for a little bit and check it out, and they're like, huh, interesting, and they'll click on it. And then I feel like that's something that probably catches a person's eye. Maybe if your detail van looks cool or something. I don't know, because me personally, I love Supras, so I was expecting this ad to do really well, and it didn't do that great. So I was like, oh, that sucks.
What advice would you have for another detailer who wants to start using Instagram ads?
So I'd probably give like 3 main tips or advice. I'd say, number 1, get some solid pictures, like nice high quality pictures, good angles. Don't just throw up whatever. Number 2, do well written descriptions. Be informative. Let them know your info, where you service, what type of detailing service you do. And then 3, I'd say it also matters because Instagram/Facebook allows you to target your audience. It kind of gives you like some like hashtags to put on there to kind of it tells, basically you're telling Facebook and Instagram what type of clients you're trying to get out of this. So people that are interested in luxury services, or people that are interested in Ferraris, or people that are interested in that type of thing, you gotta make sure you write down the type of audience you're trying to reach. So you gotta make sure. Also, with the ads, Instagram and Facebook allows you to go with your service area. So don't advertise your post in like New York if you're from California. Make sure that you're advertising your post in the areas that you service. There's no reason you should be like advertising in another state or something. So just those are probably like the main 3 tips that I would give. Well, there you guys have it. that's why my Instagram ad got taken down. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have run ads and how well it's gone for you guys and what any other tips you guys have. And if you're wondering why we're in this setting, it's because we just got off a long day at work. So it's 6 p.m. now. We're in Paris, California. We just got done with like 5 vehicles and we had to get some lunch because we haven't ate all day. So we're at Denny's enjoying. We just got done with our nice meal and now we're knocking out this content for you guys. So please make sure to help the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.